Engine caught. After repairing the aircraft, we conducted a recovery test flight. The flight was successful, but something still wasn't right. The aircraft returned safely to the sky. The engine ran smoothly and all controls responded normally. The repaired landing gear and wing structure showed no issues. The recovery flight was successful. Although the flight was successful, the aircraft did not perform as expected. Straight flying performance appeared the left main wing incidence angle lower than right. A closer inspection was required. After the recovery flight, the wing incidence was carefully inspected. The leading edges of both wings were correctly aligned. However, the trailing edge of the left wing was slightly higher than the right. This difference could affect the aircraft's lift and overall flight attitude. To correct the alignment, a thin shim plate was installed behind the rear section of the left wing connectors. This lowered the trailing edge of the left wing slightly, bringing both wings into proper alignment before the next demonstration flight. The engine was also inspected after the recovery flight. External surfaces was cleaned using carburetor cleaner. However, carburetor cleaner should not be sprayed directly into the cylinder. Many RC pilots spray carburetor cleaner into the cylinder. This can remove the protective oil film and reduce corrosion protection. For storage and maintenance, a right preservative oil is a safer choice. A small amount of Dextran oil was added to protect the cylinder, piston ring, and bearings before the next flight. The aircraft has now completed its recovery inspection. Wing alignment was corrected. The engine was preserved. The Stinson is now ready for its next mission. In the next episode, the Stinson will return for a full-scale demonstration flight.